Chola. I am studying in UKG. My school name is St. Philomena High School.
Gnanapita Awards winner from Karnataka.
Gnanapita Awards winner from Karnataka. Kuvenpu, Data Bende, Shivalankana, Mahi Vendesayaka, V.K. Goka, B.A. Anantamurti, Viriskana, Sandaseka Kambala.
Classical dance form of India.
Classical dance form of India, Bharatanatyam Tamil Nadu, Kathakali Kerala, Kathak Uttar Pradesh, Manipuri Manipur, Kuchipudi Andhra Pradesh, Odissi Odisha, Satya Assam, Makki dance Madhya Pradesh, Dandiya Gujarat, Yashagana Karnataka.
Rivers of India.
Rivers of India, Brahmaputra, Ganga, Godavari, Indus, Kaveri, Krishna, Mahanadi, Narmada, Periyar, Tamilabani, Vaigai, Yamuna.
National festivals.
National Festival, January 26, Republic Day, August 15, Independence Day, September 8, Teachers Day, October 2nd, Gandhi Jayanti, November 14, Children's Day.
Seven wonders of India.
Seven wonders of India. Gamal Station in Karnataka, Taj Mahal in Delhi, Hampi Temple in Karnataka, Sona Sun Temple in Odisha, Nalanda University in India, Tanjavur Madhya Pradesh, Golden Temple in Punjab.
Planets in solar system.
Planets in solar system: Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune.
Four Vedas.
Four Vedas: Rigveda, Yajurveda, Samaveda, Atharvana Veda.
10 Mukhya Upanishads.
10 Mukhya Upanishads: Isavasa Upanishad, Kena Upanishad, Katha Upanishad, Krishna Upanishad, Indaka Upanishad, Mandika Upanishad, Aitaya Upanishad, Kaitaya Upanishad, Sandagya Upanishad, Bhuvadarika Upanishad.
Dashavatara of Lord Vishnu.
Dasavatara of Vishnu: Matsya, Kurma, Varaha, Narasimha, Vamana, Parshurama, Rama, Krishna, Buddha, Kalki.
Seven continents of the world.
Seven continents of our Asia, Africa, Europe, North America, South America, Antarctica, Australia.
Five oceans of the world.
Five oceans of our Antarctic Ocean, Indian Ocean, Pacific Ocean, Southern Ocean, Arctic Ocean.
Prime Ministers of India.
Prime Ministers of India: Jawaharlal Nehru, Hussain Nadav Chasi, Indira Gandhi, Ulasi Desha, Saraswati, Rajiv Gandhi, Vishwanath Patel, Chandrasekhar, B.V. Daspal, Tabia Vashman, H.D. Devara, Nukma Abdullah, Manmohan Singh, Narendra Modi.
Neighboring countries of India.
Neighboring countries of India: Afghanistan, Bangladesh, Bhutan, China, Myanmar, Nepal, Sri Lanka, Pakistan.
Neighboring states of Karnataka.
Neighboring states of Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh, Bhutan, Goa, Kerala, Maharashtra, Tamil Nadu, Telangana.
30 districts in Karnataka.
30 districts in Karnataka: Bagalkote, Ballari, DS, Bengaluru, Bengaluru, Malagavi, Hamasnagar, Chikkapalapura, Chikkaduga, Daksina Kannada, Davanagere, Nava, Gadak, Hassan, Haveli, Kalburgi, Kodagu, Kona, Koppala, Mandya, Mysore, Ramnagar, Raju, Sumaga, Tumpu, Kodupi, Uttara Kannada, Vijayapura, Yadanagiri.
Indian festivals.
Indian festival: Ganesha Chaturthi, Navaratri, Dasara, Deepavali, Mahashivratri, Christmas, Eid, Holi, Mohram, Good Friday.
Women freedom fighters of India.
Women freedom fighters of India: Dugabai Deshmukh, Arunasa Fawli, Susesa Kipalini, Kittulani Chennamma, Kelladi Chennamma,
colors in rainbow.
7 colors in rainbow: violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange, red.
Official languages of India.
Official language of India: Assamese, Bengali, Urdu, Gogi, Gujarati, Sindhi, Kannada, Kashmiri, Kompali, Mayala, Marathi, Maithili, Manipuri, Nepali, Oriya, Punjabi, Santi, Chandabi, Sindhi, Tamil, Telugu, Urdu.
Religions of India.
Religions of India: Assamese, Durga, Isa, Christianity, Sikhism, Buddhism, Jainism, Parsi.
Famous temples in India.
Famous temples in India: ISKCON Temple, Tirupati Balaji Temple, Meenakshi Temple, Siddhivinayaka Temple, Jagannath Temple, Somnath Temple, Mahabodhi Temple, Kanaka Devi Temple, Vaishnav Devi Temple.
Indian monuments.
Indian monument: Agafa, Ajantake, Chamina, Bay of India, Golden Temple, Gogumba, Hampi Temple, Aidan Villa, Jama Masjid, Taj Lahore Temple, Sona Sun Temple, Eid Palace, Mysore Palace, Qutub Minar, Red Fort, Taj Mahal.
Names of Rutus.
Names of Rutu: Vasanta Rutu, Grishma Rutu, Vasanta Rutu, Sharada Rutu, Hemanta Rutu, Shishira Rutu.
Hindu lunar months.
Hindu lunar month: Chaita, Vaisakha, Jyesha, Asana, Shravana, Anubhadra, Ashwina, Kartika, Margashira, Pushya, Mara, Falguna.
Main agricultural products.
Main agricultural products like jute, cigarette, water, tea, coffee, milk.
Major cities in India.
Major cities in India is Mumbai, New Delhi, Kolkata, Chennai, Bangalore, Hyderabad, Ahmedabad, Pune, Surat, Jaipur.
International airports in India.
International Airport India: Chalika, Indira Gandhi Airport, New Delhi, Rajiv Gandhi Airport, Hyderabad, Chhatrapati Shivaji Airport, Mumbai, Chennai Airport, Chennai, Tempagala Airport, Bangalore.
Kings of Karnataka.
Kings of Karnataka: Pulkeshi, Krishnadevaraya, Krishnavardhana, Mayumavarna, Amoga Varsha, Katakari Nayaka, Kitulani Chennamma, Kalari Akka, Jaya Tempagowda.
5 sense organs.
5 sense organs: eyes, nose, ear, tongue, skin.
Indian dynasties.
Indian dynasty: Chalukya, Chola, Vaisala, Maurya, Pallava, Gupta, Rajputa, Mughal. Vijayanagara.
Union territories.
Union territories: Andaman Nicobar, Chandigarh, Delhi, Lamlandia, Jamuna and Kashmir, Puducherry, Lasabit, Ladakh.
National symbols.
National symbol:
Father of the nation.
Mahatma Gandhi.
National anthem.
Jana Gana Mana.
National song.
Vande Mataram.
National flag.
Five color flag.
National flower.
Lotus.
National animal.
Tiger.
National sea animal.
Dolphin.
National bird.
Peacock.
National fruit.
Mango.
National vegetable.
Brinjal.
National language.
Hindi.
National calendar.
Safar calendar.
National book.
Bhagavad Gita.
National game.
Aki.
National river.
Ganga.
National flag color.
Safar. White. Green. Thank you for